celery root soup. So I've got some onions in some butter. It's really that simple.
Smells great already.
This is the easiest soup in the world. And when the holidays roll around, I think what you want to do is you want to start with a nice heartwarming soup.
Yes.
So I'm throwing that celeriac or celery root into the pan. I'm throwing some thyme and some bay leaf in.
Lovely.
And then we sweat that down, right? Once you get that onion beautifully softened and it's starting to turn slightly red, then we go 3 cups of stock, 2 cups of milk, and 1 cup of cream. Right? So 3, 2, 1, very, very simple and easy. And then once that's covered, it will come up to a simmer, and then you'll let it cook until it's soft, and it'll cook until it is just like this. And the way you know it's done is you'll just take the back of the spoon.
It's when you can squish it.
And you can just squish a piece. And you're
Easy
like, okay,
enough.
Perfect. Then you throw it into a blender, and you've got a beautiful soup.
Can't you put an immersion in?
Of course you can, yeah. Yep. We turn this into a perfect puree. You can use a blender, you can use an immersion blender, like Rachel said. And then you scoop that gorgeous little soup out like this. I'm serving them in these like little mini cups because I'm going to sort of serve this as an appetizer. So if you've got people coming over and you don't want to serve a giant bowl of soup, then go ahead and serve them in these little cups and it becomes an appetizer.
It's adorable too.
Nice?
It's such a sharp way to do that.
A little brown butter. So all you do is throw brown butter, or you throw butter into a pan, let it turn brown, right?
And it smells really nutty and fragrant. It's lovely.
You want just a few drops on the top here. All right, that's a little trick. It's absolutely delicious. I've also fried a little thyme in that brown butter, so if you want, you can put a couple of little sprigs of that thyme in there. And then that's your starter. That's the soup.